Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman & Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan. Today we're continuing our video series designed to educate the public, so please subscribe to our channel. Today we're going to talk about your role in determining how your ex spends time with the kids. Here's the typical scenario. Somebody will call up our office and say, Mr. Goldman, we have a situation, I have custody, my ex has parenting time, the parenting time is supposed to be certain days of the week, and he never spends the time. He takes the kids and then the grandmother sees the child. The uncle spends time with the kids. He never spends time with the kids. I want to terminate his parenting time. Can I do it? Well, the initial reaction that we would have is, no, it's none of your business, okay? You spend time with your kids the way you want to. He'll spend the time the way he wants to. If he chooses, for one reason or another, by virtue of convenience or work schedule or whatever, to have someone else basically manage the kids during his parenting time because he can't or won't, it's none of your business. You don't worry about it. You do what's good for your kids based on your parenting time. Let him worry about it. Now, the situation changes a little if you're in a situation where the other side is giving the kids to someone who is somehow, doing something dangerous or not in the best interest of the children. So, for example, if your ex doesn't spend time with the kids, but rather brings them to someone who smokes weed all day, no good, okay? If he's putting the children in the hands of somebody who's an alcoholic or something like that, no good. So what you have to do then is, at that point, you have to file a motion. You have to always understand the court doesn't know there's a problem unless you bring it to their attention. So it's not good enough to call and yell at the front of the court. You have to contact your lawyer. You have to have your lawyer file an appropriate motion to suspend or otherwise modify the parenting time for the reason that the other side doesn't exercise it, and not only don't they actually exercise it, they put the children in harm's way. They're doing something that's not in the best interest of the children. Now, you can do that, and the court will probably say, look, we'll give you parenting time when you can exercise it, but if you're going to take these kids and you're going to bring them to your girlfriend and she's distracted and she's not watching them and she's a drug addict and alcoholic, we are not going to permit that. We're going to suspend the parenting time. So the court has the authority to modify the parenting time to address the issue. But understand one thing. It's only going to be because it's to protect the children. The court is not interested in protecting your ego. The court doesn't care about your micromanagement of your ex, okay? And the court doesn't care about you wanting to control what goes on while the kids are out of your care. This is not a thing that the court prioritizes. It may be something that's important to you, but if you're going to go to a judge and you're going to say, I don't like the way she's exercising parenting time while the kids are with her, or I don't like what he does with the kids when he picks them up, you better have a reason that goes to what's in the best interest of the children. It's not going to be, I don't like it because he should be doing what I say. Or, I do homework with the kids and he doesn't, and I don't like that. That's not going to be good enough unless you can literally show that his activity is detrimental to the children. Now, in the example that I just gave, I can imagine a scenario where not doing the homework with the children is detrimental to their well-being. In other words, the kids need extra help in school, they're having some problems, the school sends home work, extra work for the parents to get involved in, so you do it with you, and you send it to your ex, and you tell your ex-wife, look, the kids need to go over this map, the teacher sent this home, this is important, you've got to see to this, and she doesn't do it, you'd have a reason to come and say, look, I'm not trying to micromanage, but the kids need help in school, and this isn't cutting it, so I need the kids with me so we can go over this. That is something that I could see, that I could envision the court would take very seriously. Now, if you have questions about your situation, reach out. We'll be glad to help you out.